Brand Gaming with your buddy Brand. So, we're going to do Mercenaries United. I'm really happy they brought back Mercenaries to the Xbox One port of Resident Evil 5, and they did it really cool because if you guys remember in the 360 version, you couldn't do Mercenaries United characters with Mercenaries characters, which I thought was total crap. But now you can, and I think that's awesome. So, I haven't played in over a year. I actually just re-downloaded it because I felt like it, because Resident Evil 2 got me really hyped into Resident Evil again. So let's see what we can do. It's my first time playing Mercenaries in a while. I tried playing as Barry earlier, and I got destroyed because I was unfamiliar with everything, so... We're going to do my favorite character, who I'm the best at, and just see what we can do with him.
I'm in a chopper, headed to your position now.
First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna discard that. I hate because I love the Samurai Edge, but for just reasons of Mercenaries, we don't need the Samurai Edge. Miss. We get Magnum ammo. What happens? What happens when Barry doesn't happen here? Ow! Dick! Oh! Wow. Already off to a bastard. Anyway. Let's go get some time. Combo was okay, but we'll do better later. Much as I love the Samurai Edge, if you leave it, like, discard it, I should say, Wesker automatically gets nothing but Magnum and shotgun ammo, and his Hydra is damn near unstoppable. I mean, look at this. You can't beat that. You can pretty much use the Magnum as a sidearm, which is kick-ass. I've seen playthroughs of other people where all they use is the Magnum, which is cool. And is definitely doable. My biggest thing with that, though, is I like the Magnum. Bad enough I'm losing the lightning. Ow, God! God, you caught me monologuing. Okay. Yeah, I don't remember what I was saying. It's not. Combo time right here, but I don't want to take it until Big Boy shows. Get the plant juice going. I like how it changed in different games. Like in Resident Evil 5 was established it's a spray. Like no other game established how you ingest it. It was just a spray. And then, so that kind of became the canon, the definitive answer we were all looking for. And then out of nowhere in Resident Evil 6, oh god, get off me, bitch. I don't advocate for violence against women, but you were just losing. Alright, moving on. I'm sure some liberal in my fan base will disagree with that, but I don't care. What was I saying? Oh yeah. So we got definitive proof that you spray herb on you. And out of nowhere, they're like, oh, by the way, you eat it now. 6 came out, now you're eating it. Like, okay, it's different. I guess it makes more sense than spraying it on you, but still, I don't know. First thing again, I wasn't really a big fan of 6. I felt a little, that finally worked. I felt a little betrayed by 6. Like, don't get me wrong, the story was good. The story was solid. I enjoyed it, especially Leon's. And then out of nowhere, lost my confidence. Anyway, then out of nowhere they introduced like semi-crappy gameplay. Like, I feel like, especially Chris's campaign it was a good story. They had like built it up as some kind of like Call of Duty shooter Gears of War style. then like the ammo in the game was next to none. Maybe it's because I was horrible at it, but I just kept running out of ammo. And to me, that made it not so fun. And the whole cloning thing, I don't know. I didn't really think that was that cool. I feel like Resident Evil takes a lot of liberties, which isn't a bad thing by any means. Crap, I was gonna use a combo time for that. Oh well, whatever. You not? Oh. Feel cheated anyway. Man, Resident Evil takes a lot of liberties, which is fine. It's, you know, it's fiction. It's a good game. But we're talking about zombies here, and suddenly they've got clones fighting other clones. It's like, is it Star Wars or is this Resident Evil? I don't know. Maybe I'm being a bit too into it, but and there's nobody over here. Damn it! I lost my damn combo. That's what I was saying earlier. You can build up this massive combo, and then suddenly they just stop coming. Right now, actually. Come on, more combos. I've seen some people, like, all they do is collect time. All they do is collect time, and then they get these massive combos. It's like, I don't have patience for that. I want to... Oh, God. Stop it! Oh, my God. I want to kill things. I want to kill things. Oh, my leg just fell asleep. That ain't good. Let's see if I'm sure I can get an S rating. Nope. Like, I'm pretty sure I can get an S rating. I was kind of hoping for a double S. I'd say SS, but that don't sound good. Alright. What? Oh, get your fucking hands on.
I'm in the field now. Hold on.
I hate this. It's like, it's, oh my God, as soon as time, oh crap, now, cancel, oh my God, we're out of time, oh God, oh, I'm not gonna make it, because everybody decided to grab me, oh, I'm out of time,
Didn't hold that, did you? Good work.
oh, God, no, I mean, let's see what we got here. And well, that's not bad. I mean, I was kind of hoping to beat my previous high score, but yeah, it's not bad, especially considering the fact that I haven't played Mercenaries in a very long time. Yeah, okay, I'm content with that. Alright, so, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Real quick, I want to say a few things. So, they paid a lot of changes. I just, I don't know, I was thinking about a lot of that. No, I'm pretty sure. Stick with the title of Brand Gaming. My gamer tag probably pops and it still says Haunted Baker for the fans of my old page, the Haunted Baker. But I didn't really feel it anymore. I just felt like that wasn't it. So I changed it up. I got Brand Gaming. Why? Because Brandon. And very creative, so there you go. So today I'm going to be doing more Resident Evil videos, a lot because I love the Mercenaries, and some walkthroughs like Resident Evil 4, and Resident Evil 2 Remastered because of that, and I love that game. So thanks guys for watching. I will see you on the next